All right, guys, there goes the bass master over there. He's gonna show you how to catch a bass. He got a sunfish on there. We'll come back to this in a minute. He got a worm on there too. He's doing pretty good. He has a spray with the crappie spray. Oh, I guess he's. Oh, I think you see it. I see it. I think he sees the target species. There's tons of fish in here, guys. There's fish everywhere. Okay, there's tons of fish in here. Look at this piece of bread, right? Where'd the bread go? Look at that. Just throw pieces of bread in there. They're coming. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you right now. Go to the store, get one of the smallest hooks you see. Get these long ones better. One of the smallest ones you see. One of the smallest pinch weights you see. Small. It's just for fun for the kids so they could learn how to, catch. Roll it up, bread. Pinch it up, roll it up into a little ball. Pinch it on the hook like that. Okay? Let's see what happens. Toss it out there. Let it sink to the bottom.
Where's the camera at?
Right here. Stay up there. There's a big bass down there, dude.
Oh, look at
That's
the
what
big tilapia. Bigger than one you think.
Where? I can't see.
Way out there, look, way out there. Dude, biggest one, bigger one like over there at the pearl. When you're out there,
That's the point, bro.
see him over there? Around this area? Big, yellow body.
I'm gonna see if I can bring them in. Oh yeah, there you
Huge, right?
go. Hey, come and get the glasses. Oh man. Oh, you put up a little bite on the little thing.
Dude, look at my swallow at this.
Yeah. Lamb, just like that. I mean, it's a little one, but they have fun with it.
I'm gonna switch mine to a little itty bitty hook and wait. You don't mind?
Sure, try it.
It'll be fun. It's gonna be fun.
It could be.
It'll be fun.
Let's hope you don't get. Let's hope you can catch it out there with the lightweight.
I will, buddy. Boy, oh boy, I will.
And again, just get that little bread, crumble it up, a little small hook, the smallest hook on the little ball. Just put it right through the hook. That's it. Let's see what do it again.
And guys, according to me, y'all guys can hear me. You don't gotta go with. Y'all going to the coast. You don't gotta go with big, tall, 8-foot rods. All you gotta do is just a little bit of a small tackle, little bit of tiger rods, and then you're good. Ain't that right, little?
Yeah.
You don't gotta get no 8-foot rod. Dude, is it even based on us, little?
Took my bait.
To make sure it's facing you?
Yeah. I took my dang bait.
Took your damn bite. Oh, fun. So much fun, buddy lad. Got him?
Let me turn the camera. On that side, get on that side. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
No, that's a good one. That's a pretty good catch there, man.
Should I put it on the way or should I? No. You know what I'm gonna do? No, wait. A bobber. Wait. Fun. This will be fun.
Oh, it took my bread again.
Got him?
Oh, there's a big one there, Maddie.
That one from earlier, right?
There's a big, no, not that one.
Oh. Is it bigger?
No.
Oh, moody God.
Oh, it's taking my food. Why don't you get in there and try it?
How about I get in there and try it?
Why don't you get in there and see, catch the one? He's taking my plate.
What's the only fish you got?
One of the small ones.
Cricket.
Yeah.
Fine.
Put a little weight on there.
Yes, sir. So good shot.
Get on in there. Give it a try, boy. That was a good catch.
How big is it?
Already, you need to pinch it on there, man. Pinch it on there good.
Show me. Show me.
Let me know.
Show me. Here. Right here. Oh, had him.
Yeah, here.
Want to switch?
Yeah. Go slow. Stick it.
I already took it there. So much fun. Earlier I was going for bass, man. I'm gonna have some fun.
Right, boy. Watch. When you're here fishing, that big bass is going to come through. But
Then I go over there, throw the spoon out. Well, bam.
okay, go. Be careful. No, sorry.
Oh, wow. You're putting on the bottom.
Okay, be careful. You're going to come with it. I'm going to throw it right there, all right there.
Wow.
Good job. Hey! Hey!
You're on the whoa!
Dang, that thing was quick.
Finally. I am not skunked. Can I get a Yay! Come blow.